In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about creating an event in your AOL calendar. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your AOL email, and then up at the top, there should be a little calendar icon in your settings. Go ahead and select that. There should be a create event button. Select that. Name it whatever you want. You can select the date of when it starts and when it ends, if it's an all day event perhaps, location, and then you can set a reminder for yourself if you want. Select save to save it, and then it should appear right here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.